Welcome to Salika Mein. Today we will learn how to sew perfect corners every time for your any project. And if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so every time I will upload a video you can get notification. I'm your sewing instructor Sara. I have 3 years of diploma and 9+ years of sewing teaching experience. So here is my this fabric. First I'm going to mark 1 centimeter down, and after that my next line would be 1.5 centimeter. So here I need two lines. One is from edge to down 1 centimeter, the other is from the next line towards down 1.5 centimeter. So these two lines I have to mark all the way, all four edges. And guys, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to at least hit the like button, so YouTube will know that people are liking my videos, and it will really help me to grow on YouTube. And see, that's how I'm going to mark all the way. Be careful about the measurement. You can see here the lines. First is 1.5, the second is first is 1 centimeter, the second is 1.5 centimeter. Now I'm going to mark the corners from here towards this 5 centimeter, and also from here to this word 5 centimeter. Now I'm going to join these 2 points, and it will and I will draw here a corner. And see, that's how you can draw here a corner. And see, and after that I'm going to make all this corner on all my 4 sides. This type of corners you can make on bed sheet or on tablecloth, or it could be any project. And see, after marking all the corners, see, now next step is to press it, iron it or press it. So let's go to the iron, and I will show you how you have to press. So first I'm going to press my first line like this. Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button. It will really help me to grow on YouTube, and if possible, please share my videos with your friends and families. See, that's how you have to press it. So pressing is very important for the neat stitching. Don't skip this part. See, from here now I am going to turn from the second line as well, and I'm giving it a little steam, so my fold will be more crisp or more accurate. And if you notice, tailor always on their iron, because they press every seam. So even if you are beginner, this is something that you have to make your habit, that before stitching press everything, and after stitching also press everything. Only then you will get your neat stitching. So this is a secret of neat tailoring. So that's how I'm going to fold all the way. See, you can see here the edges should be equal on the corner. And after pressing, now I'm going to stitch the corners. See, all the 4 sides I just press it, and now the next step is to stitch these corners. So see, first I will open my corner like this, and I will trace this corner line that we just mark here, a slant corner line. This line I want to trace it on my first fold here. So let me mark here. Use every time scale, don't do it by freehand. And see, that's how you have to mark. This line should be like you have to join this line with the that corner line. Hope you understand the concept. Now we have to fold our corner something like this. Hold from here and then fold it something like this, and make sure that our both lines are equal or parallel to each other. See, here it should be parallel, and then here you need to pin up it properly so it will not move, and then we will start stitching. So see, let me pin up it properly, and here I'm going to mark my stitch. So let's go to the sewing machine. Now I'm on my machine, and make sure that you double lock on the starting and on the edge. It is very important, otherwise after stitching your stitch will come out and it will not look neat. So double stitch on the edges, and see, now this corner is stitched. Now let's cut the extra fabric. So from here extra fabric, just remove the pin, and from here cut the extra fabric. See, this extra fabric we need to cut. Now we will turn it inside out something like this. Put your finger here on this corner and turn it something like this. Hope you guys can understand. And you can also use your scissors to make the edges sharp. Okay, so see, that's how it will come. You can see how perfectly it come. And guys, please don't forget to hit the like button. So now the next step is to do the top stitch. For top stitch, you have to keep in mind that your foot your fabric should come the center of your foot, and when you come to the corner, down your needle, up your foot by the lever, and then turn the fabric. This is the only way that you will get a perfect corner here for the top stitching. So you can see here it is a pointed shape on the corner. So guys, hope you like this tutorial. If anything, you can see how neat it is, and if anything you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to give me your feedback. It is really very important for me, and please don't forget to hit the like button. It will really help me to grow on the YouTube. And thank you for support, and you can tell me what next you want to learn. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.